The SEOUL 1988 cream has been going viral across TikTok, Instagram, and skincare forums, with tons of influencers promoting it as a so-called game-changing moisturizer. And if you've seen the ads, you already know the hype. It's marketed as a snail mucin and rice-based cream packed with 4% retinol wrapped in liposomes, claiming it can brighten dull skin in just 7 days and visibly smooth fine lines in only 2 weeks. Now, on paper, that sounds almost too good to be true, and when a product makes such bold promises, it's worth looking a little deeper before pulling out your wallet. One of the first things that stands out is the use of before and after photos in their promotions. But many of these images are not original at all. They've actually been lifted from other skincare websites, which immediately raises questions about how real their results truly are. Then there are the oddly specific numbers like 97% smoother eyes and 93% more confidence that they throw around in ads. But none of those stats are backed by any clinical studies, dermatological testing, or peer-reviewed data. It's just marketing fluff designed to sound convincing. The claim that their 4% retinol formula is 11x stronger than retinol is another attention grabber, but there's no verified scientific evidence proving this, and dermatologists usually caution that such high concentrations of retinol would likely cause irritation for most skin types. When it comes to reviews, things don't look much better. Many of the positive reviews online feel copy-pasted, repetitive, and even AI-generated, with overly polished language that doesn't sound like something a real customer would write. And if you check platforms where genuine customer feedback usually pops up, like Reddit or Trustpilot, you'll notice there's virtually no authentic discussion happening about the product, which is unusual for something supposedly this popular. Another red flag is their sales strategy. They rely heavily on BOGO deals, limited-time flashy discounts, and free shipping offers, which are common tactics used by new or unverified brands to push quick sales before building a real reputation. Now, does this mean the SEOUL 1988 cream is a total scam? Not necessarily. It could still be a decent moisturizer with ingredients that offer some benefits, but the way it's marketed makes it really hard to trust the brand's claims at face value. So, this review isn't overly positive, and it isn't entirely negative either. It's more of a balanced look at the facts so you can decide for yourself whether this cream is worth your money. If after hearing all of this you're still curious to try SEOUL 1988 cream, I've tagged the product link in this video so you can check it out directly.